Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Tesla application on your iPhone. Now, go ahead and tap on the car icon in the top left corner of your screen and select Add Key to Apple Wallet option. Now follow the on-screen instructions, which may involve placing your iPhone near Tesla's B pillar. Now go ahead and enter your Tesla PIN code on your iPhone, and with this, your Tesla key will then be successfully added to your Apple Wallet. So this is how you can add your Tesla key to Apple Wallet. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.